There are a variety of financial terms that are commonly circulated in the media that you may have heard but don't really know what they mean. This is part 3 of my 4-part glossary of financial terms to help you understand what they mean. Mutual fund. A fund operated by an investment company that raises money from shareholders and invests it in stocks, bonds, options, commodities, or money market securities. Net asset value per share, or short NAV. The current dollar value of a single mutual fund share, also known as share price. The fund's NAV is calculated daily by taking the fund's total assets, subtracting the fund's liabilities, and dividing by the number of shares outstanding. The NAV does not include the sales charge. The process of calculating the NAV is called pricing. Portfolio, a collection of investments owned by one organization or individual and managed as a collective whole with specific investment goals in mind. Price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, a stock's price divided by its earnings per share, which indicates how much investors are paying for a company's earning power. Risk tolerance, the degree to which you can tolerate volatility in your investment values. Roth IRA, a tax-free retirement account to which an eligible individual can make annual contributions up to $6,000, $7,000 for people over 50 for catch-up contributions. Note, this amount will change each year based on the government limits set. The contribution is put into the account after tax, and then the entire balance of the account is withdrawn tax-free at retirement age. You've just watched part 3 of a 4-part series on my glossary of financial terms. The 4th part is just a click away. It's great to have clarity and understanding on what these terms mean, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you are in the loop with my financial ideas and insights. If you would like to learn more about working with me in my wealth progression process, please visit my website at wealthprogressiongroup.com. I'm Robin Edgar. Thanks for watching part 3. The 4th and final part is just a click away.